Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you can get the drop whenever I drop. So I'm gonna start here by doing my eyebrows here. I've been watching videos and stuff on Instagram doing my eyebrows, so I just tried to do them a different way this time here. Basically like going upwards with them and just kind of get them in line. So I did a little dap there. That was something new that I know I did or whatever, and I'm gonna basically start putting on this concealer over my eyebrows and on my lids. So this video was like 44 minutes long, and so I had to condense it by basically, look, I messed up there, by basically like fast forwarding it so you guys can see it here. The eyebrows is kind of difficult because you always try to make sure you get them all lined up correctly here. So yeah, just gonna do that. I think they're okay. So that's my fan. I got that with an African outfit that I had bought, me, Brandon, and Jalen, but I never wore it. So yeah, it came in handy. I'm gonna wrap around, put on my setting spray. I had ran out of my vegan setting spray, so I had to get my elf setting spray. And so now I'm putting on, it may look like I'm still doing the concealer, but I'm putting on like a little light eyelash eyebrow color. Just kind of get that like set in here. So did a little reddish pinkish color here, and I decided to do like the eyebrows or the eyelashes both at the same time because I dipped back in and did a different color. So I didn't want all that the different colors on there at that time. So this is what I'm doing here. Y'all comment below in the comment section to let me know what other type of videos y'all would like to see me do. Yeah. I normally don't do all the way up there, but today I decided to do it all the way up there. I'm getting a little better at the little nose thingy there. So, yeah. So I typically, as you may see, I do my underneath eye once I put on my eyelid makeup. And because, sometimes the stuff falls on underneath your eyes, so I do that afterwards. Oh yay, Brandon gave me that bought me that bottle. It has like the little things on it, like the time that you're supposed to drink and stuff. I've been doing decent at that, trying to drink a little bit more water. I mixed these two colors there. I probably shouldn't have, because it kind of gave a different, like, as you can see there, like darker than the color that I am. And so I just try to blend it in a little better there to kind of, make it look a little natural there. And yeah. Setting that. I'm just blending it in some more. Just get it blended in some more so it won't look so, light. So this is the wig I bought from Amazon. I'll link the link below. I'm testing this out. I don't normally do my hair. So I wanted to try this out. So I've been watching Lenora put on her wigs and stuff, and her hairstylist do her wigs. And so I've been trying to learn the little things right here just to, get my foot in there and, do it. I'm just trying to figure out how how I'm gonna do it. In my mind, I'm like, okay, I don't want to cut this thing too far or too back or all this type of stuff. So I was just testing it out. So here I am doing the stocking cap. I put some glue up there. Y'all didn't see that part. Oh, or did y'all? Y'all might have. But this is my first try on it, and I didn't let the glue dry enough on the stocking cap. So, and I just sprayed a little makeup on. You guys seen this type of thing several times, right? Also, I did do it. No, I think what I did is put some of that got to be spray on there and try to kind of lay it down. I got this glue from my cousin. I done had this for probably 2 or 3 years, and yeah, I had a hard time opening the bottle. It got messy, really. It really got messy because it hasn't even been used in a long period of time or whatnot. Because like I said, I really don't do that. I normally just get wigs that I could just put on, and I don't have to do the gluing down method or whatever like that. So yeah, so this, like I said, this is the first try. As you can see, it came up on the side. It was coming up in the front. I was like, really? I tried to tie it in the back or whatever. It was just sliding, kept on sliding, just sliding and stuff. So I was like, right there, that's why I'm trying to squeeze the glue to get it, down. But it just didn't work after I cut that thing. So yeah. So I was like, I'm just super over it. So yeah, that glue gets sticky and stuff, and I don't like that part. So that's probably the main reason why I don't really just do the little lace front glue down thing, and I just basically just put a wig on and cut it or whatever. And yeah, so I'm just trying to measure it right here. I was kind of like, okay, forget the wig thing. I'm just gonna put the hair on. So I had to get some rubber bands. I don't even know where my rubber bands at. I went looking for them the other day, and I can't find them. So I don't know what I did with it. I might have threw them in the trash in the process of cleaning up. And so, yeah, I was trying to get that there, but it just didn't work out, honey. It just didn't. I was confused. You see me, I'm like, what am I gonna do? So right there, I'm trying to get the wig itself tightened at the back. So I kind of double cross them or whatever, so I can put it on so it can kind of fit my head a little tighter. So yeah. So after all this trying to figure it out, I decided to do it over here. So I was like, okay, put a little bit more glue on here, and a little bit more glue, get all this little sticky stuff here, and do this, and kind of get it neat. Y'all, it may seem like I know what I'm doing. I'm in the beginning stage of this. I just be watching videos to see. So I'm going to go ahead and blow dry this down and everything like that. Oh my gosh, my eye was suffocating underneath there. I was like, really? I was trying to look cute. And I probably should have did my makeup after the fact because some of it came off of my face. But that's cool. It still turned out decent enough. That thing was suffocating my whole face. I was like, oh my freaking gosh. I feel like I had a little head trauma going through this process right here. So I just blow dried it so that I know that it was, it stuck down. I think it's about ready there. I think I put enough glue on there and everything. So, your girl ready. Oh, shoot, I'm blow drying again? Okay. I guess I had to go back. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and cut this. Cut it. As I was going, I just thought to just say, let me cut the little side things on it and flip it behind my ear and stuff. So it kind of it turned out pretty decent enough. So, yeah. I almost cut my ear too. I was like, girl, get it together, honey, get it together. So right there, I'm just trying to clip it to like where the glue is. I kind of messed up on that side over there because I was trying to like, get it to lay down like on the other side. See how that is in the front? I was like, okay, girl, you did a good job. You getting it. But I still had that little part that just did not blend onto my scalp like I thought it should blend. So like I said, I'm a beginner at this. I really don't put on wigs, like glue them down. So yeah, because I just throw on a wig and go, But I was like, let me get cute and about this little wig here. I'm going to get curled, okay? Got to do these videos and stuff. So basically, this video, I was just basically getting prepared so that I can, record on our YouTube channel, which is Brandon and Shante React. So you guys go check that out as well. I can link that in the bio as well. So your girl almost done here. I'm going to cut the side of this right here. And as you can see, like right there, I'm going to show you in a minute. I think I had cut it a little bit too much over there or whatever. It's just, So yeah. I was pulling it a little bit tighter so I can get it tight and everything fixed and get the hair off stuck or whatever. So your girl is ready to try to get this glued down here. Alright, so I had to put some makeup on there. Y'all, I didn't even pay attention to my bra straps in here, but they is all on my t-shirt. They all on my t-shirt. I wasn't even paying attention to when I was recording. I was just like, let me go in here. Let me get this done. Let me record this, so I could bring some, some more content or whatever like that. So, yeah. All right, so we're about to get ready to start the gluing process. If y'all got any tips or tricks to what y'all do whenever y'all do y'all glue down, if y'all do those, let your girl know. Let her know, okay? Because first of all, this is a lot of glue to be up here on my head. And yeah, it's a lot. And, it didn't even last... It didn't even last that long. I was ready to just take that out because I like really the reason why I don't do like the glue down methods and stuff like that all the time, or haven't just really got into it like that, is because I like to take my wig off at night. Like I like to be like comfortable sleeping. So yeah, that's why I didn't really get into all that. So yeah, so as you can see, I'm just drawing this down. So I let it sit on there for a little bit, tied it up and everything, which you guys didn't see. But you see, I'm, at the ending part. So I'm just checking to see if it's glued on there, enough. It kind of still wasn't like glued on there enough, but I was pulling it, so it didn't seem like it, it wasn't glued down like that. So I was trying to get it close as possible to my scalp, so they can look natural and it won't look jank. Yeah. And here he go, all in here asking for the alcohol so he can get ready to. He better put his shirt on next time he come up over here where I'm recording, because baby, we're gonna have a problem. Get on up on my video, boo. Get on up on my video. So as you can see right here, y'all, I was trying to get it right. This side just, I'm a work in progress. Or it's a work in progress. So, So, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video of me putting on my makeup and doing my hair. As you can see, yeah, so I'm almost done here. And then this is where I kind of, messed up on that side right there. So I was cleaning it up with the alcohol or whatnot. So I got the cutting on it some more, and then I did. Oh my gosh, I cut it. I cut it so bad, y'all. I cut it, but that's okay. I'm still learning. That side was decent. I liked it. I really did. But I was like, okay, that's cool because it's not really gonna be showing because the hair is like what it's doing, you know. So yeah, I really liked this wig. I was like, oh, I'm so in love with this wig when I got it because it looks natural, and also, you know, I haven't tried like doing this style before. I had a little hard time doing it. Y'all don't laugh at me because I don't got no combs to be doing my hair. I don't know. They just upped and walked away. They might be over my daughter-in-law house because, you know, she got a lot of my products over there. Bring my stuff back. Bring my stuff back, okay? So I use Got to Be holding spray on there. I didn't get the regular one. I got the one that's yellow and black, but I should have got the one that was just yellow or whatnot, because I probably could have used it for the front of my head. Okay, so yeah, I was trying to get that sleek down or whatnot. So yeah. But it did work pretty good to hold the curls in place once I got done with it or whatnot. So I kind of, you know, did that. So at this point, I had wet my hair. Like, I got a bowl with it, just wet it. And it turned out like that, which has turned out pretty cool. So now I'm putting my eyelashes on. I use regular hair glue because every time I was trying to use that hair glue for the lashes, they would come off. So y'all, tell me a good brand that you guys use when y'all use eyelash glue, okay? And I know some of you girls go get your eyelashes done, but me, I just put the strips on. So, because it's kind of like tedious. You got to go in there and make sure you wash around the eyes, and then some of them might fall out and this and that, but that's okay, cool. One of these days I might just go ahead and get it done again. I have my eyelashes done like maybe the individuals done one time, and other than that I just get strips that I purchased from Amazon or something. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Thank you guys for supporting me. Y'all, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notifications so that whenever I drop a video that you guys will be able to tune in. So this is kind of like at the end of the video here. I'm just putting my lashes on. So if you guys like it, leave a comment down below in the description. And yeah.